The Arduino Opta microprogrammable logic controllers, or PLCs, introduce a new standard in secure, user-friendly automation with industrial IoT capabilities. These controllers empower users to seamlessly expand automation projects. Equipped with robust computing power, they facilitate real-time control, monitoring, and predictive maintenance. Opta controllers enable over-the-air firmware updates and remote control via the Arduino Cloud or third-party services. Ethernet, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth low-energy connectivity enable IIoT integration and support for standard IEC 61131-3 PLC languages and fieldbus integration via Modbus TCP RTU for enhanced versatility. Reliable industrial certifications and high-power relay switching provides durability, while easy DIN rail installation simplifies setup. Arduino Opta microprogrammable logic controllers offer a comprehensive solution for diverse applications, backed by expert support and extensive resources. Discover how to optimize your new product designs at Mouser.com.